These toys come in a 3-pack, and they look like various smoothies. And they have this Velcro area right here. And you can take the crinkle paper in and out. You can even add a water bottle to add that crinkle fun for your dog. I know my dogs like it when we do that for toys. These are also washable, which is really nice. And she can't wait. So they all have squeakers in the top. But lots of fun. We've been playing tug of war. They're nice and long, so we can do that. But lots of noises, squeaky crinkles that the dogs like. As you can see, mine just couldn't wait to steal it. There she is hiding it so I don't take it back from her. So really fun dog toys.